Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we will continue with the seventh chapter. And today is part 3 in English grammar. Okay, and what was the chapter? Chapter number 7, doing words or verbs. Okay, so before we start, let me ask you something. What are you all doing now? Yes, you all are listening to teacher. Yes? Okay. Tell me, what did you eat last night for dinner? Yes, you all must have eaten different things for dinner, right? Yes, some may have eaten rice and dal, some may have eaten chapati and bhaji, and many more things. Okay, all the children may have eaten different things. Yes? Okay. Now, what did we learn in the last class? Tell me. We learned the use of is, am, and are. Yes, we learned the use of is, am, are. Now, is and are, yes, is and are. We always use is and are when we talk about the present time. Present time means now. Things that are happening now. Something that is happening now. Yes, is and are used when we talk about the present time. Present time means now. Now, what did I ask you just now? What are you all doing now? You are listening to teacher. That means now. You are doing that activity now. Yes? Now. Then what did teacher ask you? What did you eat for dinner last night? Last night means yesterday. Yes? Yesterday means the past time. The activity has already got over. The activity is already got over. Okay? So that time is called as the past time. Past means it denotes the time which has already gone. Okay, the time that is already gone. What do you mean by past? Past means something that has already happened. Yes, that activity has already happened. Yes, so the activities which we do now, that is in the present time, and what we have already done, that is in the past time. Okay, now see, this is now. Yes, now. Okay, now that, what do you mean by past? Past means it can be just before 5 minutes. The activity may have got over just before 5 minutes. Okay, or may just before few hours. It may have got the activity may have got over just before 5 minutes, or maybe before few hours, or the activity or something that has happened yesterday, or something that has happened few days back, or few months back, or few years back. All these is about the past time. Okay, activities that have happened, already happened. Okay, it may be just before 5 minutes also, it may be just before few hours, it may be yesterday, it may be before few days or few months or few years, but all these activities have already happened. Okay, it's, so we call it as past. It is past. And now means present. Now means present. Okay, so today we are going to learn some words what are the two words? Was and were, which are used in the past time. That is, in the past tense. Yes, we have learned about past tense, isn't it? Past time means past tense. So we will learn the use of was and were in a sentence. Now see this. Okay. When do we use is? We use it for the present time. Yes. So when we are talking about the past time, we use was. So was is the past tense of is. Was is the past tense of is. And when do we use was? When we speak about one person or thing in the past tense. When we are speaking about one person or a thing in the past tense. Okay. Now, let's go further. Okay. Now, was is used with I, he, she, it. For example, I was sleeping. He was sleeping. She was sleeping. It was sleeping. Now, it for what do we use? For animals, yes. So, it was sleeping. Suppose if we are speaking about a cat, we say it was sleeping. Okay. So, I, he, she, it all refer to one person. Okay, one person or one thing. Or we can also refer it for a thing, isn't it? It was on the table. Where was the book? It was on the table. Okay. So when we talk about one person or a thing, we use was. Now see this. Are. Are we use for the present time. Yes. We are running a race. Yes. And when we talk about the past time, instead of are, we use were. What do we use? Were. So, were is the past tense of are. Were is the past tense of are. And when do we use were? We use were when we speak about more than one person or things in the past. When we are talking about more than one person or thing in the past. And what do we use with were? We, they, you. We were playing football. They were playing football. You were playing football. Okay. And you can be one person also. And you can be more than one also. As we did in the last class, you can refer one person also and you can refer to more than one person also. Okay. But we used are if it was we were referring you for you. It can be one person also, it can be more than one person also, but for you we have always to use are in present tense. Same way for you in the past tense, whether it is one person or more than one person, we have to use were. Okay. You were playing football. So it can be one person playing football or it can be more than one person playing football. But for with you, we have to use were. Okay. Now let's see some examples. First we'll see the examples using the word was. She dash crying loudly. She dash crying loudly. So what do we use? Was. She was crying loudly. He dash painting the wall. He dash painting the wall. He was painting the wall. He was painting the wall. Okay. I was late to school. I was late to school. I was late to school. Next. The cow dash eating grass. The cow dash eating grass. The cow was eating grass. The cow was eating grass. Mohan dash riding a bicycle in the morning. Mohan dash riding a bicycle in the morning. Mohan was riding a bicycle in the morning. I saw a frog in the pond yesterday. It dash sitting on a stone. I saw a frog in the pond yesterday. It dash sitting on a stone. It was sitting on a stone. I dash very thirsty. I dash very thirsty. I was very thirsty. I was very thirsty. Meena dash watering the plants. Meena dash watering the plants. Meena was watering the plants. Now let us learn the use of were in the sentence. Okay. They dash in the classroom. They dash in the classroom. They were in the classroom. They were in the classroom. You dash very scared to enter the dark room. You dash very scared to enter the dark room. You were very scared to enter the dark room. Next. There dash 4 books on the table. There dash 4 books on the table. There were 4 books on the table. There were 4 books on the table. We dash playing football in the school playground. We dash playing football in the school playground. We were playing football in the school playground. Raj and Prem dash good friends. Raj and Prem dash good friends. Raj and Prem were good friends. Raj and Prem were good friends. There dash many trees in the garden. There dash many trees in the garden. There were many trees in the garden. There were many trees in the garden. The children dash making a sand castle. The children dash making a sand castle. The children were making a sand castle. The children were making a sand castle. There dash beautiful birds sitting on the branch of a tree. There dash beautiful birds sitting on the branch of a tree. There were beautiful birds sitting on the branch of a tree. Okay, now it's activity time. Okay, now can you see what is there on the screen? On the left side box, we have words I, he, she, it, we, you, they. In the middle, what do we have? Was, were. Okay, and in the second box, what do we have? Happy, in Mumbai, big, a teacher, singing. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to form a sentence using was or were. So with let's begin with I was happy. Yes, I was happy. He was in Mumbai. He was in Mumbai. She was a teacher. She was a teacher. It was big. It was big. Okay. See, so many sentences we could form. Now, let's see this. It can be I was in Mumbai also. He was happy. Okay. She was singing. Yes. Now, let's see this. We were in Mumbai. You were singing. They were happy. Okay. Now let's see the other way also. We were singing. You were in Mumbai. They were happy. Okay, so try to write as many sentences that you can form with was and were in your book. Okay, children, you will write the sentences in your book. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Sai Ram.